Guys, say today this is the cube that finally we've been waiting for, the Guanlong V4 that I'm going to expect to be my main. And this is it. Let's open it. Good. And some random guy commented on my video that he want me to speak Tagalog, so this is Katagalog mo ako. Malaki expectations ko dito sa Guanlong V4 kasi for the past few months, Guanlong is the main cube that makes me broke my PBs. That's haven't got the VG yet as I've seen the previous reviews are really bad. That's all. And they say the Guanlong upgraded version.
Fun fact, guys, I'm the
VG
first
is
one
not
to
good.
review this cube out of all the other cubing YouTubers like Cubed, JPerm,
Sabi nila pangit daw
Z3
yung cube.
Cubing,
Wala akong
SpeedCubeShot.com, SpeedCube Review, and The Cubicle US. I don't know what's up with this cube, but I think we have an intention that this
I
cube is
think
not
I'm
really
the
good.
first one who bought this cube.
Or maybe the cube is not really interesting. That's all. Bye.
And because this is the
Okay, so to those guys who wants to buy the cube, links are in the description down below. Bye.
it says Guanlong V4 upgraded version. Magic Cube 3x3 YJ Speed Cube Toys. Kids Toys, Cube of Magical Carrying Education. Okay, so we got some free stickers. I don't know if this is multiple stickers or it's just one. Okay, it's just the one. Okay. This is the cube. Oh. I hope this cube will break my PB. Because since I've said earlier, from the past few months, YJ is the main cube that breaks my PBs from the 3x3s.
Okay, this is the random guy's name, Roblox Gamer,
And we've got a free
who's
stand.
the guy who wanted me to speak
With the
Tagalog
YJ.
on YouTube. And his name is on the above. Is that above, guys? Let's look at it.
Here it is. Oh. So looks like they copied the Mailong 3C. But as you can see, the center caps has primary internals design. Okay, let's do first names. This is starting to get bad. Well, as you can hear from the sounds, it's a little bit sandy. I think I need to put some lube with this cube. To make this cube feel more interesting. Pasensya na guys, hindi na ako nakapag-Tagalog kanina. Because I can't resist to unspeak English because I've been doing that since in the beginning and I'm not used to speaking Tagalog. That's all. Oh, those guys don't know, the one who commented that, but his name was Roblox Gamer. I'm not gonna put that name. Yeah, his name was Roblox Gamer. I don't know if that guy was a 14-year-old kid. Okay, let's do corner cutting. As you can see, there's no corner cutting that's happening. Reverse corner cutting. Oh, wow. Look at the core. It's transparent, guys. The hell. So this is the twist of the cube. It may turn so bad, but the internals is very good. It's very shiny, like that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put some glue of it. Just the casual ones, not the advanced, like the chi lube. Just wait for a sec. Okay, this is the lube. And it says set to store Rubik's lube. The, the current lube that I've been using from the past few months. Gonna put some 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, this lube seems to be producing so many drops, or maybe because it's very dense, I don't know. Okay, the cube is now good. Guess we added some bit of a lube. I hope this cube will now break my current PB, which is 6.30 seconds, that I haven't break for what, April, 3 months, and that happened way back March 6, and I don't know what day was that when it happened. Like, I'm just gonna check it out. Okay guys, I've checked it out, and it happened Sunday, and I was listening to a song called Come True from Jeremy Stalker. Okay. Guess we're gonna do some solves. Let's do an average of 5. 3 for solve. Okay, 1243. Second solve. Okay, I think I miscrambled the key. Let's check it out. Oh. And 95 seconds solve. Third solve. I guess you can see the scramble is correct. Okay. Okay, you got a free F1 there. Okay, then fourth one. Fourth solve. Okay, fifth song. Twelve. That's pretty much it. Can picture the average. So what I think about this cube, guys, is it's good when you put some glue. Yeah, maganda to pag may glue. Yan, nagtagalog na ako para mas na kayo. Ganda siya pag may glue, obviously naman. Kasi ang pangkat niya nung binuksan ko kanina, diba? At sa mga bibili pa lang na ito, alam nyo na mangyayari. Pag inikling siya, pangit. Yeah. If I were you, I'm gonna put some love on this cube to make it more turnable. And kung masasabi ko bang recommended tong cube, hindi. Pero kung gusto nyo i-try yan, dali nyo na. Sa Shopee lang ito. Bili ko dito 130. Something. Hindi, 169 pala. Sama na shipping fee.
So overall, the price was 209 pesos.
I hope that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Ciao, guys.